I want to continue to learn. I don't ever want to sit and think that, I know what's best, I've upgraded, therefore I don't need to do anything more. We're good for 10 years. That's not my goal or my strategy. I think by learning from our peers, what am I missing?
I think the thing that always gets me the most excited about the conferences is the networking opportunities, being able to talk to other users.
It provides you a common ground with other companies, gives you some sort of validation that what you're doing is okay.
There are different parts and presentations that show you what is possible to do with the system. And that gives us always a kick to what can we do better, how can we improve our business.
I think if you're on the fence about attending a conference, I think you go for it. It's a huge opportunity to benchmark with your peers, and that really is invaluable.
The biggest benefit I get from attending a QAD conference is networking, strategic planning, education, training, all of it. I think we can do it, but we got to do it together.